How to use Sephora Virtual Artist Try On. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. The Sephora Virtual Artist uh, is an AR tool that allows you to virtually try thousands of lip color eyeshadows and false lashes in real time. It uses your device camera to map your facial features for precise digital applications. So what here you need is open the Sephora app onto your device. There, you want to make sure to navigate to a section. As you do this, you want to make sure to select Get Inspired, or you could just go to AI Beauty Chat as well. So once you do this, you want to make sure to allow the permission to take, or you just want to make sure to allow the camera, and you just have to make sure to upload a photo of yourself in a well lit and high resolution. You just have to choose between categories such as lips, eye checks, or lashes, and after which you could browse by brand, color families, or finish as well. And you could just go ahead and tap on shade to see it instantly applies on your face, and a live view on your photo as well. And this way you're supposed to use Sephora Virtual Artist. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.